Dear students, we will do some numerical problems. Let us consider a problem where a charged particle of charge 1 microcoulomb, it is moving through with a velocity equal to 5 meter per second, and the mass of the particle is 2 grams. With the field, it is moving perpendicular field whose magnitude is 2.5 Tesla. We want to calculate the force and acceleration. We know that magnetic force acting on a particle moving through a magnetic field is Q V cross B. So it is equal to Q VB sine 90. Sine 90 is 1, so the force is equal to, and it will be perpendicular to the V cross B. Now substitute the values. 1, it is microcoulomb, we change it and we write it into coulombs, so we multiple 10 raised to minus 3 into V, it is 5 meter per second, it is unit is meter, it is SI unit, and mass is 2 grams. We convert it into kgs, so it is, substitute the value of B, it is 0.05. We multiple, we will get 5 into 0.5, it is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So acceleration will be equal to F by m. So it is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Newton divided by mass, that is 2 into 10 raised to power 3. We change the 2 grams into kgs. So 1 10 raised to power 3 and 10 raised to minus 3, they cancel. We will get 2.5 divided by 2. It is 1.25 meter per second. Let us take another example. We are given a particle whose specific charge, that charge is 2, specific charge Q by m 0.2 coulomb per kg. Then we are given velocity. This velocity is given in a vector form. It is 5 I cap minus 3 G cap, and we are given field that is 2 I plus 3 G. We have to calculate acceleration on the particle. So you can write that acceleration is equal to force. Here it will be by mass. Force is magnetic force, that is Q V B, because the force, velocity and cross B divided by m. Now you substitute the values of the different quantities which are given. So we will get E is equal to Q is equal to 0.2, Q by M is 0.2 into velocity, that is 5I cap minus 3G cross into B. B is 2I plus 3G. You can find the cross. In cross product, you remember that the terms containing I cross I, J cross J, K cross K, that they are equal to 0. So we will get A is equal to 0.2 into 5 into 2, 5 I cap into 2 I cap, that is 10. That is 10, that is equal to 0. Then we use 5I into 3G, that is 15 I cross G. Then we multiply minus 3G with 2I, we will get minus 6 G cross I. Then the next term will be G cross G, so it will be 0. We will get A is equal to 0.2 into 15 by the 6, that this is 15 I cross G, that is 15 is K cap I 15 I cross G, that is I cross G, that is K cap minus J cross I, it is minus K, so minus minus plus, it is 6K. Can write, calculate. So you can see that A is equal to 15K plus 6K, it is 0.5 into 21K. So multiply, we will get 0.2. It is 4.2 kk. So in vector form we have 4.2. So magnitude of the acceleration will be 4.2 meter per second square, and direction will be direction of the positive z axis. Positive z axis. Now you go through your book uh, and do all the numericals that are related to this formula. Thank you. Have a good day.